Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are having issue with where the connection has timed out in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Guys, let's fix it problem. Go to search menu and type cmd, click run as administrator over here. Opens up command prompt, click run as administrator and click yes. Now in this command prompt window you just need to type IP config space slash flush dns ipconfig space slash flash dns. Press enter. Windows IP configuration successfully flashed the DNS resolver cache. Now we will need to type the next command netsock space winsock space reset netsock space winsock space reset. Press enter guys. Successfully reset the Winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Close out of here and restart your computer guys. And after restarting your PC you should good to go guys. Your problem has been resolved at this point. That's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.